This morning we started the operations very early in the morning at 6, and as we report now, we've been able to recover 5 more bodies.
Mere ya andu mugwanja ya aria maratheririo ni muiyuro gicigo-ini kia Hell's Gate Naivasha niyonekanite. Aciari a thukuru wa muthingi wa Bongo wa Mukuru-ini Nyeri kuruta ciana ciao thukuru-ini ucio iguru rigie ndugamano ya mugunda wa thukuru ucio.
We must now separate those ones who are working na wale ambao wanacheza na kazi. Kwa hivyo leo ndio siku ya mwisho kuita mkutano ambao tunaongea mambo ya pombe.
Na County Commissioner wa County ya Kiambu kurutira mashifu na nini ya omokana kurekereria urugi, wendia na unyui wa njohi cia ibango uthie na mbere.